Want to make your Klarna checkout process lightning fast? In this video, I'll show you how to enable one-click checkout for instant purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. One-click checkout saves your payment and shipping details, allowing you to buy in just a tap. This feature is often tied to the Klarna browser extension. First, ensure you have the Klarna browser extension installed for Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. You can download it directly from the Klarna website. Once installed, log into your Klarna account through the extension. As you shop, the Klarna option will appear at checkout on supported sites. The first time you use it, you'll need to enter your details. For all future purchases, you can often complete the transaction with a single click, as your information is securely saved. A crucial pro tip: for the fastest experience on your phone, make sure you are logged into the Klarna app. Many apps and sites that have deep Klarna integration will allow for a similarly quick, one-tap approval process. And just like that, you've eliminated friction from your online shopping. Enabling one-click checkout makes buying what you love faster than ever. What's the first thing you'd buy with one-click checkout? Tell us in the comments. To adjust your budget, watch our next video on how to change your Klarna payment schedule. Thanks for watching.